If you love buffalo flavor, then pay attention because I'm going to share with you how to make these buffalo chicken meatballs today on Mom's Dinner. All right, let's get started with the recipe. It actually is going to start with a panade, which is a breadcrumb mixture that's going to hold these meatballs together perfectly. In a bowl, you're going to crack 1 egg, and then you're going to take 2 tablespoons of this Frank's Red Hot wing sauce. You want to get the bottle that says wing sauce because it's a prepared sauce that is perfect for this recipe. Mix these two together so you're kind of whisking up that egg. Then you're going to go in with 1/2 cup of panko breadcrumbs. That's that coarser breadcrumb that works perfectly in these meatballs. Now we're going to add some seasoning. 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, 1/2 teaspoon each of garlic powder and onion powder, and then 1.5 teaspoons of dill weed, which is exactly what I had. I just had to pour the bottle right in there. Now give this a really good stir. You want the breadcrumbs to start to absorb all of that liquid. And again, that's what's going to hold your meatballs together and give them the perfect texture as well as flavor. So now we're going to go in with 1/2 cup of blue cheese crumbles. If you don't super love blue cheese, then just add 1/4 cup. You could actually just omit the blue cheese altogether and let people add some sprinkles on top. But I do like to have those little pockets of blue cheese in my buffalo chicken meatballs. Now we're going to add in the ground chicken. When you buy your ground chicken, make sure you're getting one that is 97% lean, not 99% lean. That 99% lean is like the bottom of your shoe. It is way too dry. So you're going to mix all of this together very lightly. You do not want to overmix this meatball mixture. A lot of times people say overmixing is going to create tough meatballs. In this case, if you overmix, it's going to make the center of your meatballs mushy. It is terrible. So just mix it until it all comes together. Now take a large rimmed baking sheet and line it with parchment paper. Spray it really generously with some nonstick spray. Then we're going to portion out our meatballs. I love to use a cookie scoop for this task, and I like to portion before I roll so that I know that I've equally distributed all of that meatball mixture. Roll up those meatballs, and then you're going to give each meatball a spray with a little nonstick spray. This is going to help these kind of brown up or golden up in the oven. Pop them in that oven, 400 degrees, for 25 minutes. Then you're going to take them out and we're going to add a little bit more of that Frank's Red Hot wing sauce. Pour about 1/2 cup to 3/4 cup right in a bowl, and then 1 by 1 or 2 by 2, you're going to toss these and coat them on all sides with that wing sauce. You're going to pop them back in the oven for another 5 minutes at 400 degrees. Look at those babies. They are perfect. That wing flavor is baked in. On this night, we were having these for dinner, so I am going to go ahead and put them all in a bowl. The excess wing sauce from when I tossed the meatballs in, I'm going to go ahead and drizzle that over top. And then I decided that I want more wing sauce, so I drizzled a little bit more out of the bottle. You can garnish these up however you want, or you can take them to the table just like this. I wanted to add some chopped green onions and some additional crumbled blue cheese. You could add some chopped up celery. You could add some fresh or dried dill weed sprinkled over top. And then I finished them with, oh, you know we love this stuff, Chick-fil-A ranch. We buy it at the store, not at the grocery store, at the actual Chick-fil-A store. It is so good. Took them to the table just like this. So I hope that you give these buffalo chicken meatballs a try in your kitchen and they help you feel like a success either on game day or at dinner time. And join us next week on Tuesday for another recipe video. And we would love to have you subscribe to our newsletter and join our community. I will put a link in the description box below. See ya.